Good morning, teacher. I am going to talk about social norms for friendly coexistence. The first rule is respect what others think about common topic. This means that we must respect what others think or say about the subject that we are dealing with, even if it is not to our liking. We must respect the opinion they have. Since all people have different opinions, however, they must be respected more beyond the fact that we do not share the same idea. As long as we maintain this order, there will be more friendly and social coexistence with the other people who remind us. The second rule is be polite with half of the people we interact with. This means that we must respect and be kind to each person we meet or are going to meet. Also taking care of our words and always drink with polite words to ask for something or say something. Such as saying permission, please, thank you, excuse me, as the case might be. As long as we maintain to mutual respect, we will continue to maintain friendly coexistence. Thank you, teacher.